In this video I'm going to show you how to use the file streaming or files feature we offer. This is a feature that is free to use. You could use this feature instead of the download link to download the latest version of your application. This we have covered in a different video, so go check that out. So instead of using a download link to a Discord file on Discord, you're hosting Discord, Dropbox, or Mega, or anywhere you can host files, you use our platform to host them. And I recommend actually doing this because everything relies on our platform. So when going to the files, you can also use this obviously if your application uses or needs certain files and you want to download them on the user's device without them needing to send it to them and them downloading it manually. So that's an extra nice feature, I guess. So first of all, you need to upload the file you want to have available to download. So in this example, I'm just going to use a image. You can do exes, you can do videos, PDFs, Word documents, any file, as long as it is between the size limits, and you can see all the limits on the pricing page. The maximum for the highest tier is 100 megabytes. So yeah, let's go back. For file streaming, you need the ID as shown in the docs, docs.blitzware.xyz. So you need to have the application initialized and the user needs to be logged in, otherwise it won't work. So to download a file, you need this endpoint, file/download and file ID. So in the path, you need the file to include the file ID. And this is the raw example. So from this URL and then the bearer token to show it's authenticated. Okay, let's go back. Let's copy this ID by clicking on it, and let's dive into the code. So I have something in comment here. After we authenticated, we call the function download file from here, and as you can see, you can read it. We send a GET request to this, and then we download the file in the current directory where it is. Adjust this as you want, but that's how I have implemented it to demonstrate. So you need to include the file ID. We just copied it, so we paste it, and then we can show that this is working. One test user test plus 3. We logged in, and as you can see in the current directory we downloaded this file, which is our logo. You can do this with any file, so just call this function after the user is authenticated and fill in the file ID, which can be found on the files page where the file is. And yeah, this is the URL, this API URL /files/download and then the file ID. So this was the tutorial for file streaming. I hope this helped, and have a nice day.